Itchy, salty, they can't stand. Blessing on that beach. Hold up, blessing.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be installing my most bougiest wig I have in my collection. Yes, you heard it right. We're going all out today. This is a custom wig I made using a 4x4 lace closure and 3 bundles. I'll also show you the easiest way to add highlights to the hair without dyeing it. Here's how the wig looks after prepping it for install. Now, I haven't done a closure install on my channel before, but sometimes you just don't feel like dealing with the frontal. This is a quick 1-2 step. First, I'm starting with my Ebon Mold and Hold Spray, 2 layers to make sure we're secured for today. Now, if you guys want a more in-depth video on how I prepped this unit, let me know in the comments because I got you, okay? This wig is perfect for those days you're in a rush and don't want to do a full glam wig tutorial. I will then use my blow dryer on cool to allow the adhesive to get tacky. I'll place the wig on the head and match the closure up perfectly with the glue. I'll use my rat tail comb to help press it down. Next, I'll apply one more layer of adhesive over the closure for a longer hold. I like to use my hands when I'm applying the adhesive sometimes because I feel like I just have a better control of where the spray goes rather than just spraying it directly on there, if that makes sense. I'll then use my comb and blow dryer to help lay the hairline. Let's do a close-up, shall we? Look at this lace, melted, and the best part, prepping the hair beforehand made this install so much smoother. Today's look is a no baby hair look, even though you guys know I love to get dramatic with it. We'll be keeping it sleek and chic this time around. To make the lace blend even better, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in shade 16. I'll also use shade 11 to brighten up the part. I did over bleach the lace just a little bit, but I'm fixing that with some black spray tint. This look is already coming together so well. For the highlights, I went to my local beauty supply store and bought 1 bundle of 30-inch synthetic hair. This is the Silky Straight 30-inch Bloom Bundle by Made Beauty. This packaging says it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's silky and super affordable at just $13, so you don't have to break the bank for a pop of color. This pop of color is perfect because it's going to add dimension to this dark hair. I folded a small piece of the blonde bundle and we're doing the Oreo sandwich technique by slipping the track between 2 black tracks. Trust me, it sounds harder than it is. And then a little wig glue on the track and you have highlights without the drama of dyeing your bundles. This is an easy hair hack. Quick tip, if you're trying this method at home, don't be like me. Add the blonde bundles while the wig is on the mannequin head, not while it's on your own. I was struggling behind the camera with this messy ass process, but I finished it off camera and just kept following the same method to place the blonde bundles throughout the hair. Speaking of fall vibes, it's officially fall, and I'm excited to announce my fall wig series. Each week, I'll be reviewing different wigs and styles that are perfect for the season. Plus, I'll be pairing each unit with a cute fall fashion. I'm excited about this series because fall is a perfect time to experiment with new looks. So if you're ready for some wigs and fashion inspo, make sure to subscribe. Alright, back to the wig. It's officially styled and looking fabulous. The highlights turn out exactly how I wanted, subtle but spicy. And the lace, girl, it's like it's not even there. I'm obsessed. And guys, can we talk about this synthetic blonde actually blend in so well with the raw human hair. I was shocked, but in a good way. For $13, you can't beat that. This is the final look. And don't forget, with fall officially here, I'm bringing you my fall wig series. I'll also be sharing tips on how to style these units with fall outfits. Subscribe so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for week 1 fall series video. Bye, lovelies!